Who am I? In one way or another, humans have been searching for the answer to this question since the dawn of civilization. The great spiritual master Ramana Maharishi placed this question at the center of his teachings and at the foundation of introspective practices aimed at revealing our divine self, that state of consciousness that transcends the limits of space, time, and suffering.
Contemporary author and activist Charles Eisenstein says that the way we live our lives and make decisions largely depends on how we answer this question. Our identity is reflected in what we do, say, and think. And, in turn, what we do, say, and think continuously nurtures our identity. Who am I?
The wise say that our true nature is characterized by unconditional love, infinite knowledge, and boundless peace. So, I've always wondered, what is the path to this true self?
And where do our fleeting emotions, restless thoughts, adopted beliefs, and ingrained values fit into all of this? Because let's be honest, in today's society, there are countless factors that cause and sustain agitation, anxiety, exhaustion, and depression. Where does our right to serenity stand in this equation? I believe that each of us comes to Earth with a beautiful, deep desire to explore, discover, and enjoy. You can see it in the bright, lively eyes of children. Perhaps we even told ourselves, before arriving here, living must be a fantastic adventure.
Yeah, I mean, I talk to people for a living. I'm actually a counselor, and I've noticed that when asked, many people don't even know what they truly want anymore because they have been so deeply indoctrinated with ideas about what a successful life should look like.
It's as if we're afraid to voice our real needs because we've ignored them for so long. Success has been predefined for most of us, and the unsatisfying life we lead is often proof that we have forgotten that we, too, have a say in all of this. So, what is the connection between the self and success?
I have observed that the answer to the question, who am I, evolves as we mature. Every opportunity in life, every challenge, crossroads, or change has been an invitation to enrich this mysterious sense of self. And as our self-understanding evolves, so does our personal definition of success and fulfillment. All you have to do is allow this transformation to unfold within you as well.
When we realized that the place and conditions in which we were living no longer aligned with everything we learned about how to be healthier and in harmony with ourselves and the world around us, we made a conscious decision to do everything in our power to manifest the long-desired destiny. At that moment, we had an intuition, one that is proving truer by the day, that in order to truly contribute to the creation of the world we all dream of living in, we must first start with ourselves.
We asked ourselves, in the most honest way possible. Who we could be beyond all patterns and preconceived ideas. What would our lives look like if we allowed ourselves to be completely authentic? Step by step, things started to take shape. We followed the path sprinkled with synchronicities, and here we are.
Today, for us, a fulfilling life means time dedicated to essential human needs such as healthy food, rest, creativity, mindful movement, and connection with nature. Spiritual and healing practices. Respecting inner and outer rhythms. Work driven by passion. Nurturing meaningful relationships.
And we measure success by how free we feel, how much peace and tranquility we have in our hearts, how many times a day we smile or laugh, how full of love our hearts are, how deep our gratitude is each night before going to sleep.
And now, it's your turn. It's time to take a moment for introspection, welcoming this present moment with an open heart and mind.
Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes if you feel like it, or keep them open while watching the relaxing images on the screen. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. That's right, once more. With each breath, you make more and more space for relaxation and calm within your being. That's very good. Now, place your palm on your chest and feel how this simple gesture connects you with your heart, with that sacred place where intuition, love, and serenity reside. Recall a moment when your heart was full of compassion or gratitude. Let the details of that moment flood your senses. Notice how there is so much light and loving attention in those moments of grace. The center of your chest fills with a radiant energy, like a small sun whose gentle, warm rays caress every corner of your body and mind. You are one with the light, one with the gentleness, one with the love and wisdom of your soul. You are one with the light, one with the gentleness, one with the love and wisdom of your soul. And you feel so good, so calm, and so relaxed. And you ask yourself, who am I? Who am I really? And you allow yourself to feel. You let the answer arise within you, like a flower gently opening its petals in the morning light. You allow the answer to infuse your body, thoughts, emotions, and beliefs, like the subtlest, most ecstatic fragrance. You let the answer embrace you tenderly, like the warmth of the gentle spring sun. You let the answer delight you, like the most inspiring words that bring comfort and healing. And you imagine how this day will unfold when you allow your true self to come to life, to make decisions, to create, to be free. Imagine how the coming days, weeks, and months will unfold as you remain connected to your true self, to the most authentic part of yourself. That's very good. And now, step by step, you bring your attention back to the here and now. Very gently, you become aware of your physical body, of your breathing, of the space around you. And when you're ready, you open your eyes.
Take as much time as you need to reflect, and perhaps even write down how you felt and the experiences you've had during this short meditation practice. Thank you for being with us once again, and until next time, take care of yourself and have a wonderful day or night.